Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to blast away dirt, grime, and buildup from your driveway, patio, car, or siding, an electric pressure washer might be just what you need. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best electric pressure washers, carefully selected for their power, durability, ease of use, and value for money. Whether you're tackling weekend chores or serious cleaning projects, there's a model here to get the job done right. Be sure to check the description for up-to-date prices and detailed product info. And if you enjoy helpful reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay in the loop. Let's fire it up, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Westinghouse EPX 3100V Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful cleaning performance with a maximum pressure of 2,100 psi and a water flow rate of up to 1.76 gallons per minute. It features a pro-style steel extendable wand, extending 17.5 inches for better reach and control. The washer comes with 3 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and turbo, for versatile cleaning tasks. Despite its power, this model is compact and lightweight, weighing only 18 pounds, making it easy to store and transport with the built-in handle. The durable 20-foot nylon-braided hose offers flexibility and convenience. Additionally, a detachable foam cannon lets you apply detergents or chemicals for heavy-duty cleaning on decks, driveways, garages, patios, fences, vehicles, and more. The pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is released to conserve energy and extend pump life. This pressure washer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty with nationwide customer support. Number 4. LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. The LWQ Electric Pressure Washer offers powerful cleaning performance with a maximum pressure of 2,030 psi and a high water flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute. It efficiently cleans a variety of surfaces including driveways, patios, cars, and outdoor furniture, while saving water and energy. Equipped with 4 quick connect metal nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, and a foam cannon, it provides versatile cleaning options for different tasks. The detergent bottle allows safe use of chemicals like bleach without damaging the pump. With a 20-foot hose and 16-foot power cord, it offers great mobility, supported by 2 rollers and an anti-tip design for stability. It can draw water from a faucet or bucket for convenience. Compact and easy to store, the LWQ pressure washer is ideal for home use on concrete, decks, RVs, boats, fencing, and more, combining effective cleaning with water conservation and safety. Number 3. POWRite Electric Pressure Washer. The POWRite Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful cleaning with up to 3,800 psi pressure and 2.4 gallons per minute water flow, tackling tough grime quickly and efficiently. It features a durable, maintenance-free NCOR pump that resists corrosion, backed by a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. The included snow foam lance sprays thick foam that clings to surfaces for enhanced cleaning, and it's designed so chemicals like bleach and vinegar won't damage the pump. With 4 universal spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degree, you can adjust the pressure for various surfaces, from hard concrete to delicate windows. The pressure washer is easy to assemble in minutes and offers flexibility by drawing water directly from a container if no water tap is available. Its 20-foot hose and compact design make it ideal for cleaning patios, decks, cars, and outdoor furniture efficiently and conveniently. Number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse pressure washer offers powerful cleaning with a maximum pressure of 2,500 psi and a water flow rate of up to 1.76 gallons per minute. It includes a pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and a soap applicator, allowing you to tackle various cleaning tasks effectively. Compact and lightweight at just 19 pounds and 16.5 inches tall, It features 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering and a low center of gravity for excellent stability and anti-tipping design. The pressure washer comes with a 25-foot nylon-braided hose and a 20 ounces onboard soap tank for adding detergents or chemicals, making it ideal for cleaning decks, driveways. Number 1. Sun-Joe Electric Pressure Washer. The Sun-Joe Pressure Washer delivers powerful cleaning with 2,030 psi of working pressure and a water flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, making it ideal for removing tough grime from homes, vehicles, RVs, and outdoor surfaces. It comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, allowing you to customize the spray pattern for precise or wide coverage. The 34-inch stainless steel lance and heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose ensure durability and long-lasting performance. This model features dual 0.9-liter detergent tanks, enabling you to store and switch between 2 cleaning solutions for versatile use. Designed by Joe Brands, the Sun-Joe Pressure Washer combines innovation, affordability, and quality to provide a reliable tool for your cleaning needs, helping you get jobs done efficiently and effectively. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.